It's your favorite CEO here, Trinity, and I'm back again with another video. Guess what we're doing today? We are restocking products. Aren't you excited? Don't you want to see how I make products? Don't you want to see? Don't you want to get a little behind the scenes? Okay, I got you. That's why we're here. So my business has sold out of our amla oil, which is our pink hair growth oil. Our business also sold out of the glow and grow oil, the mini bottles. We still have big bottles in stock, but the mini bottles go pretty fast. One, because they're a little bit cheaper, and two, because most people purchase them for wholesale. Yeah, so of course they're sold out. We're also sold out of our leave-in conditioner, lavender, 4 ounces. We do have a couple big leave-in conditioners left, but it's about that time to restock those as well. So today we're gonna be making some hair growth tea, the kind that you can drink, of course. We're gonna bottle it up. I have about 6 bottles downstairs. They will be for sale. And then I'm gonna be doing samples as well. So I'm gonna be giving out samples all weekend long and so on of this tea, so people can get their hair growth on, and see what the tea tastes like, of course. I'm excited for this, y'all. It's gonna be some work today. We have work to do. You ready? But it's gonna be amazing. So proud of the Shenanigans. Don't y'all see my locks? I'm loving them right now. I know in a week or two I'm gonna be like, But right now I'm loving them, and I'm gonna appreciate while I'm loving them. Get y'all some glow and grow oil. Okay, so we're restocking the mini bottles of this. So we're making amla oil today. Amla oil, that's one product. Hair growth tea, that's another product. Glow and grow oil, that's another product. And then we're melting down the leave-in conditioner. We're gonna finish the rest of the process tomorrow. Today my little brother is going to be helping me. He's gonna be filling up the oil bottles while I'm making all my concoctions and all that stuff. I'm making my concoctions. I'm all in the kitchen. I'm whipping it, I'm mixing it, I'm doing it, you know? So let's get started. Let's do this. And if you're not following Shenanigans Hairtique on Instagram, then you're doing something wrong. You need to make sure you go follow us. Hit that subscribe button to my channel. Okay. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and all of that. And yeah, we need to get organized. We're still getting organized. I did hire some help, but I do need more help. And so please don't judge me, because I have a lot going on and I do be trying to make it work with what I have. I am in a small space business out of my home, and it's just not enough room to be doing all the stuff that I'm doing. So it is, but I could be organized, okay? I just be running all over the place and I don't prioritize things properly. That's the main point. Some days before I make any products or get started with anything, I have to clean up, go through what's in the closet, make sure the tables and everything that I'm using is clean. Sanitation is key, especially when working with hair products. So just because the products are handmade, don't think we won't be out here cleaning dishes, scrubbing and disinfecting everything, because your safety and protecting my ass, okay, is my main priority. First product of the day, we are making our hair growth tea using natural herbs like hibiscus, peppermint, rosemary, horsetail, nettle leaf, ashwagandha, you know, mullein. Hopefully I'm saying it right. But yeah, all natural herbs. We purchased these herbs. Some are from Walker's Market and some are from my auntie's garden that she gave me. And yes, I'm mixing it in the tea because I'm going to drink some, as well as I'm going to, you know, make some. You know what I'm saying? But this tea is really good. But the peppermint, if you're not into peppermint like that, drinking it It might not be as appetizing to you, but your body definitely needs that. Like every time I feel something menthol on my soul, on my skin, on my hair, you feel it. So imagine what it's doing to your insides. You hear me? Like imagine what it's doing to your insides. Get you some of this. You can use this as a hair rinse, or you can use it just to drink for hair growth and strengthening your follicles and cleansing your hair as well. So just try it. ShenanigansHairtique.com. Alrighty, y'all, so our herbal tea is freshly brewed and blended. So now we are about to bottle them after, of course, we let it cool down. And I poured me a cup of tea, you know what I'm saying, with my Walker's Market mug. If you are in Virginia, you want to check out Walker's Market for sure. Sorry, y'all, I be talking over my words sometimes. But yes, this tea was very delicious. I would go heavy on the agave, but yeah. So we decided to make some tea bottles, and then we allow people to also purchase tea bags. So we mainly sell the tea bags, but if you catch us at a pop-up market, you may get you a bottle of tea. You know what I'm saying? And then you can take it home. You can drink a little bit. You can put a little bit in your spray bottle, and then you can rinse your hair with it and just let the peppermint soak in. You know what I'm saying? Time to clean off the surfaces again and just make sure I'm in a clean space, because now it's time to let the tea cool down. I cannot fill up any bottles until the tea is completely cool. So while I wait on the tea, I'm about to make my Nourishing Hair Growth Oil. This is the Infusing Hair Oil. It has avocado oil, vitamin E, pumpkin seed, amla, and different oils that are combined to make your hair grow, to flourish, to soften your hair, make it more manageable. And this oil is very lightweight. I love the smell. It smells like a little lavender, a little ylang, you know, the vibes, of course. And I'm getting the content as I make these products as well, but I'm still wearing my gloves, so I make sure that I'm not touching anything. That's what I love about oils. You don't have to touch anything if you're pouring and measuring. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And then you heating it up and letting it infuse and all that. You know what I'm saying? Period. All right, as we are heating up the other oil, now we're making the Glow and Grow oil. This one has already been sitting, just ready for us to pour it, put the cap on it, wipe it off, and label it. I have my brother helping me because I can't do it all. I'm trying to do 3 products at once and keep the kitchen clean and everything else that comes with it. But we definitely get the job done. Hair oils, I would say, is one of the fastest things that we're able to make. Everything else takes more time. Leave-in conditioner, hair butter, deep conditioner, edge control, hair grease, all those, shampoo, all those other things make our day just a little bit longer. You know, it requires more time and attention. Oils do too, but you can make oils quicker than you can make all those other products. You know what I'm saying? That's what I love about making oils. So an oil day is always pretty breezy. You know what I'm saying? It ain't too much. Y'all, one product is out of the way. Now we are on the last 2. Now it's time to fill up the tea bottles. The tea is still a little warm, but it's not as hot as it was when it came out the pipe. We let it sit for at least an hour or 2. But you know, when tea is in the kettle, baby, that kettle gonna keep that tea warm for as long as it can. So we're filling up each of these bottles. And if you would love to try our tea, you can order it online. It's only $6.50. So baby, invest in your hair, invest in your body. It's not only good for hair growth and strengthening your hair, but it's also good for stress, anxiety, and calming yourself down. Your body needs this. I'm trying to tell you. Nutrients, baby. Clock that tea. Last product of the day, we are finally filling up the amla oils, y'all. Finally, this is the last product of the day. So I had my brother in charge of filling up the glow and grow oils. I helped out just a little bit, but I wanted to focus on the tea and making the amla oil so he could focus on one thing, because we've been making that same product for about 5 years now, so he should know how to do it right down pat, right. So yeah, I handled the big girl stuff and I let him handle the OG stuff, period. Y'all, we have come a long way tonight. We got a lot of products done and made. We were able to restock our amla oil, our hair tea, and our glow and grow oil. So that is pretty much the end. I'm just gonna finish filling up these bottles, capping them, and then we're gonna clean up, and then we're gonna enjoy our tomorrow. You know, they will be listed on the website. We have to update our website tomorrow, so please check out our products at shenaniganshairtique.com. And if you're looking for more entrepreneur videos, you know where to come back and find me. Peace.